Linear equations are equations that are usually in a straight line, and the highest power of the variable is 1. Okay, variables like y, x like we have here, and b, these are the variables. So in a linear equation, the highest power of the variable is just 1. We'll have an exercise. Let's go ahead and solve this exercise. For the first question, y minus 3 equal to 7. Okay, let's fix this. Now, like I said, this variable, this y, which is the alphabet, is called the variable. Why these other numbers 3 and 7, they are numbers, right? These are constants. Now, for whatever reasons, constants can and variables can never add. So let's say v plus c is not possible, but v plus v is possible. That's giving you 2v. And let's say c plus 3c is possible, giving you 4c. This is to say that constants can add up, variables can actually add up, but constant and variables cannot add up. So here we cannot combine y minus 3 because we have a variable and a constant. So how do we simplify this? The place of simplify this is by collecting like terms. So we'll have to, or we'll just collect like terms here, collect like terms. And if we should collect like terms here, we'll have y, this negative 3 goes over to meet constant because constants can combine. So we'll have 7 here already, right? This coming over here becomes positive plus 3 because it's crossing the equality sign. So they will add up, and 7 plus 3 can add up to 10, and we are done with that. So that's very simple. Question number 2, 3 brackets x plus 2 equal to 14. Okay, to do this, we'll have to expand the left hand side first. So expand left hand side, so this part of it. Now there is a link on this video for you to check out for the lesson on expansion that will help you. Okay, for us to expand this, we have to multiply, use this to multiply everything here. So 3 multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 14. So this place is just a constant. Now we said constants and variables cannot combine, but they can multiply. So 3 multiplied by x is just going to give us 3x, and then 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So 14. Now we'll have a better linear equation, or a clear linear equation. From this point, this is a constant, irrespective of the fact that it has this is, sorry, a variable, irrespective of the fact that it has a constant attached to it. Now when we have something like 2y or 3x, the numbers, are getting me, are called the coefficients, and we'll see how we can use that. And these ones, like, are the variables, they remain the variables. So let's go ahead to fix this question. So because this coefficient as well, we isolate them or treat them as variable itself. I will explain that in a moment. So from here, these two cannot combine, we'll still collect like terms. Same thing, so collect like terms. When we collect like terms, we'll have 3x is equal to 14 minus 6. Remember, we'll have plus here, cross number should become a minus. So 3x is equal to 14 minus 6 should be 8, right? Okay, because remove 4 here, you have 10, remove 2, that's 8. So divide both sides. Now whenever you have a coefficient, we have coefficient here 3, use your coefficient to divide both sides when you are done with collecting like terms. So we have to divide both sides by coefficient. Divide both sides by coefficient, which is 3, or by 3. 3 is the coefficient. Okay, let's do that here. So have 3x divided by 3 is equal to 8 divided by 3. So the 3's cancel out, and x is equal to 8 over 3. Okay, you can write the answer as you can also write the answer as a decimal. Now one thing I want you to note about this is that in linear equation, your answer might be a fraction. That doesn't make it wrong. It makes sense that way, and it's okay. Okay, question number 3. It looks a little bit complex, but we are still going to apply still going to take same approach. Okay, for here we'll still need to expand left hand side. So sometimes you might have to expand them the right hand side as RHS. Okay, so let's go. 5 multiplied by 6 minus 5 multiplied by 3b is equal to 3b plus 3. Okay, there's no work to be done here. Let's continue. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30, minus 5 times 3 is 15. Remember, whenever you have variables and numbers to apply, just come together. But 5 times 3 is 15, then b joins them, so 3b plus 3. Okay, now something is happening here. We have the constants, and they are separated from the coefficient and variables, so they are separated. So we can still collect like terms here to make our work organized. So to do that, I think I want to bring the constant here. So let's say collect like terms, same thing as collect like terms. But this like terms is somehow, we're not actually keeping the variables on the left hand side. I want to take them to the right hand side too, so that we avoid working with negative signs. So 30 minus 3, because 3 was plus, they're coming over here, becomes minus, is equal to 3b. This coming here becomes plus. Pay attention to that. You see why I did that? And if you should do it the other way, bringing this over here and taking this, it will still give you same answer, just that you have to cancel out the minus at some point, and you see that. So 30 minus 3 is 27, right? Is equal to 3 plus 15 should be 18. 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18b, right? Okay, so here we have a coefficient again, and we said whenever you have a coefficient, what do? Divide both sides by that coefficient. Is that clear? So 27 divided by 18 is equal to 18b divided by 18. First, the 18s are going to cancel out. Okay, I want to break this down using 9. 9 here is 2, and 9 here is 27, right? Is 3, right? 9 times 3 should be 27, I think so. Finally, we are left with 3 over 2 is equal to b. So therefore, b is equal to 3 over 2. Like I said, most time your answer is not going to be a whole number. It can be fractions, and that's okay. It doesn't change anything. Finally, we have x over 2 equal to 7 over 6. Now, whenever you have this and that form or way an equation can come, whenever you have an equality sign between fractions, simply cross multiply. So we are going to cross multiply because we have an equality sign between fractions. So this means something of this nature, or this is actually what it means. Okay, so we have 6 multiplied by x is equal to 12 multiplied by 2. Even if you have written 2 multiplied by 12 is same thing, or written x 6 multiplied by x is same thing, so, or x multiplied by 6. So 6 times 12 is 6x is equal to 12 times 2 is 24, right? So we are back to having a coefficient, right? And whenever we have coefficient, what do? We divide both sides by the coefficient. So 6x divided by 6 is equal to 24 divided by 6. So let's cancel out here. X is equal to 24 divided by 6 should be 4, right? Okay, 6 times 4 should be 24. Okay, 4, and that's it. So very simple. The next equations are the basics of maths. That's the basics of algebra, and they are very much simple. We are done. Take a good look at this. We'll have a task, just 4 questions. This video is brought to you by Professional Academic World, and my name is Mr. Johnson. I am your instructor for this lesson. Do what to the task, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and share to your friends. Thank you so much.